Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading. Let's come to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be alive. It's early freaking morning here in Asiaville, and it's a great time to be alive. We're seeing that most of the crypto markets are pumping, not dumping. I got like combined dumping and pumping, like tongue-tied. And it's a great time to be live, and we're seeing a nice bit of recovery. So we're going to be talking about that. And also, I'm going to talk about how I think that January is going to be very good for crypto. Very, very good. January 2026 is going to be great for Dogecoin and XRP. And things are, hopefully, this is the turning point of all this downturn consolidation that we've really had out there. I swallowed. So all the people that don't like it, you can now comment something negative out there. So we're going to talk about that, jump into all the news and everything that make crypto great, make crypto a pain in the butt. And let's jump into it, guys. Any further delay. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG expressing my opinion, guys. And you've got to go down there. You've really got to smash the likes, guys. I appreciate that. You've got to subscribe. YB right now. Let's go back and watch all the other videos out there. So what is going on right now? So we can see right now that yesterday we had the Dow Jones was down, we had the S&P, but tech stock, NASDAQ was up 0.23%. Unrelated, looks like Tesla stocks closed at a record high as investors rally around Elon Musk robo-taxi hype despite slow EV sales. So that's pretty good. Tesla's pumping. And did you know that Elon Musk is now worth over $600 billion, guys? Wow. Wow. The dude's got some cash, guys. Dude's got some cash. Throw me a bone, Elon. Throw me a bone out there. I appreciate maybe a couple $100,000 would be nice for the OG in the house, guys. Show some support, show some love. So overall, we're seeing a nice recovery everywhere, right? It's like green. You can see the green. Use the eyes, see green. But it's still pretty pitiful, right? That we see Bitcoin below 100,000, Ethereum below 3,000, XRP below $2, OMG. And the Dogecoin is up 2.64%. It's at 13 cents, guys. So we're still holding strong. We refuse to be beaten down by the manipulators out there. So we're going to be talking about the reasons why crypto is pumping right now, and why I freaking think that January 2026 that's it. December is done. Forget about December. I hate December. This is like one of the worst Decembers that I have lived through for crypto. And I think January is going to be good. It's going to be really good. Okay. And if you're still watching, thank you very much. Don't forget to comment. Do you think that January is going to be good for crypto, or is it going to be more of this downside, continuation of the crapola that we have right now, guys? Tell me. I'd love to hear what you got to say. It looks like fear and greed dumped again. Now extreme fear at 11. Hello out there. What's going on? So what's happening? Here's what's happening in crypto today. I'm still going to tell you what the heck is going on. So right now, we have U.S. banks could soon issue stable coins under FDIC plan to implement Genius Act. So the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp is moving forward with a rule under the U.S. Genius Act by proposing a framework for how regulated banks could apply to issue payment stablecoins as a key step in implementing the law's stablecoin provision. So what do you guys think? If we move away from the paper dollar and go to a digital dollar, you guys agree on that? For me, from my perspective, if we have a digitalized dollar, any digitalized currency, it allows the man to track where you are, right? Similar to when you use a credit card, they know where you are and that kind of stuff. So that's the only thing, right? That's the only thing that could, put the stymies on that. But it's okay. U.S. regulators consult on crypto rules for exchanges, lending, and DeFi. So looks like the UK's and the UK kind of irritated me, right? Way back when they're like, we're friendly to crypto, but then they started to regulate the crap out of it, right? It sucks out there. So crypto urges SEC to see good in privacy tools. So crypto industry executives urge Securities and Exchange Commission to shift its thinking on blockchain privacy tools as a sixth crypto conference roundtable on Monday, saying there are legitimate applications for them to use outside of criminal use. So I agree. We need to have some crypto privacy out there. So good news is where the market cap is up 1.4%. That's great, right? We need to get, I swallowed again. Go down there and comment how you hate that. comment, subscribe, share this video, even share with your grandma, the people next door, and even people you don't like, right? So the market cap is at 2.9. We need to get above. Above 3 trillion, right? So overall, having a bit of a rally, right? I think this rally will continue. Keep my fingers crossed, because people are saying, "Oh, geez, the OG, whatever happened," the OG says the opposite happens. Well, I'm telling you, it's going to be a freaking rally, guys. A rally. We're rallying. Doge is up 2.71%. XRP is up 2.23%. So it's good, right? So we're seeing a nice bit of a rally out there. We're seeing a nice liftoff for Dogecoin. Hopefully, we'll get this continuation pattern and we'll get ourselves above 15 cents on the 4-hour. Bitcoin, a nice little rally, a nice, could this be a V-shaped recovery? Could we see a nice V-shaped recovery? We've gone down. Could we see a nice V-shaped recovery? Boom, all the way back up to 100,000. I hope so. I hope it's going to happen. It needs to happen. And if we calculate from where we are now, what a percentage we need to get 100,000. So we only need to move about 14%. Not too bad, right? 14% is not too crazy. Let's dive into XRP. Let's see what XRP is doing right now as well. So got a nice recovery for XRP right now. So XRP also V-shaped recovery, kind of following the pattern of what Bitcoin is doing. And to get ourselves to $2.08, which is a resistance, we need to go about also 6%. So if we go up to that 13%, then that will take us to $2.20. So that's kind of where we need to go. If Bitcoin hits 100, we could see that 220 coming in. Now, if we need to go all the way back up to our previous all-time highs, let's see, previous all-time highs. Let's do that. Let's clean up the chart. Previous all-time highs. Sometimes I got like this dyslexic for charts, So we're around about 345. So if we go above 345, make this smaller so I can zoom in. Get out of there. So we need to go all the way up to around about here. Okay. So that would mean if we get ourselves up to 350, that means we have to go from where we are now. And that will take us, we need to go up like 74%. Okay, 74% pump. Okay, it's going to happen. I'm positive. Let's be positive. Still, I'm going to tell you why crypto is pumping right now. We're still going to dive into it. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the likes, share, and show some love with super thanks. Go down there. And thumbs up for the video, guys. Big thumbs up for the video. Yes. And big heart mark to everybody out there. I love you guys. Blowing kisses. So far, December is down 2.76%. We've seen that right now longs and shorts are even, so that is good. Manipulators are out of there, right? So here we go. Here is a clear, no hype explanation why Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP are higher right now and what's actually driving the move. Okay, so what's going on with crypto right now? The move is a relief plus continuation rally. This is not random. Okay, it's not random. Okay, let's talk about BTC. Why BTC up? Leverage reset is complete. So the leverage reset is complete, thank God. The recent dump flushed out leverage traders. Selling pressure has dropped sharply, okay? So that is good. When forced selling stops, price naturally rebounds. So we're seeing that. ETF demand is back right now, guys, so that is good. ETF demand is back. Spot Bitcoin ETF flows have stabilized or turned positive. We're seeing that ETF flows are now positive for Bitcoin. That is pretty good out there. Hey, you guys want to see my Christmas tree? Christmas tree out there? There's my Christmas tree. Merry freaking Christmas out there. Christmas time is coming to Asia out there. So that's pretty good. I'll put the camera back. Hello. So we're seeing that spot Bitcoin ETF flows have stabilized, turned positive. Even small inflows matter when supply is tight. Pause halving. Okay, so liquidity expectations improved. Markets are pricing in easier financial conditions ahead, rate cuts and liquidity expansion. So that's pretty good. Bitcoin reacts early in liquidity changes and technical reclaim. BTC reclaimed key support resistance levels. That is good. And algorithms and momentum traders have flipped bullish again. So We got the algos and the bots are now flipping positive. So BTC is moving up equals confidence in return to the entire market. Okay, so why is Doge up right now? Risk appetite signal. Why is Doge pumping? Well, simple. Risk on sentiment has returned. We saw the NASDAQ up, so that's pretty good. So people are kind of like, okay, let's move back to more riskier assets. Okay, so that's what's going on. So social and speculative rotation. So the social rotation from like everyone is like sell Doge. Now the sentiment is turning positive. Okay, and Doge rallies when BTC stabilizes. So we're seeing stabilization of BTC now. Retail confidence comes back, so we're seeing that. And it's a sentiment barometer, not fundamentals in play. So, and then we did see a bit of a short squeeze for Dogecoin. Doge was heavily shorted during the dump. We saw that. And price bound for shorts to cover fast upside. So that is pretty good. Doge is basically moving up because traders feel safe about taking risk again. Okay. XRP. What the heck is going on XRP? And XRP is basically event driven and coiled, right? Okay. Dogecoin risk appetite signal is back, right? So that is pretty good. So why is XRP higher? Well, lagging asset catch up. XRP underperformed during the initial BTC move. We all know that. I hold XRP, and that sucked, right? Now it's playing catch up as confidence improves. ETF's institutional narrative. Renewed speculative around ETF potential. Institutional payment adoption. We all know about that. We're waiting for that. And XRP moves hard on expectations, non-confirmation, low supply and exchange. We're seeing that the amount of XRP on exchanges is low. People are buying and holding. I'm holding. Long-term holders are not selling aggressively. Small demand increases cause outstanding price moves. Okay, so XRP tends to move later but faster. Okay, so how are these moves connected? Well, BTC pumps first, market confidence returns. Okay, so you get the BTC pump. Then confidence return. Doge and higher beta alts move. Risk appetite expands, right? Because the confidence is back. XRP lags, then accelerates. That's what we're seeing right now. XRP lags and accelerates. Narrative and catalyst phase. So I still believe that XRP is coiling up and then we're going to have this huge acceleration, okay? You're currently between stages 2 and 3, okay? Important, what this is not. This is not a random pump. No retail FOMO yet. Once we see the retail FOMO, it's going to go nuts. Still pretty much institutional, and there's no blow off top. Okay, this is smart money repositioning after reset. Okay, what to watch next? Very important. Bullish continuation. If BTC holds above reclaimed support, ETF flows stay neutral or positive. No spike in long liquidations. Should be good, right? All right. So warnings. These are warnings. If BTC loses levels quickly, this is a warning. There'll be downside. Funding rates go crazy and positive social media turns euphoric too fast. Okay, simple summary. Prices are higher because fear is gone, leverage is cleared out, and liquidity expectations improve. So that means BTC, confidence, Doge, risk appetite, XRP, asymmetrical. So that's what's going on. So that's kind of it in a nutshell. And I think January, this is all going to happen, guys. BlackRock is staffing up for crypto, posting 7 senior digital asset roles across the U.S. and Asia. Get and apply. Positive. Update. Glassnode says wallets holding 100 to 1,000 BTC added 54,000 BTC. That's 4.6 billion, guys, this week. The fast accumulation pace since 2012. And these are institutions. Freaking institutions. Guys, did you smash the like? Did you subscribe? Did you show love? Did you comment? Comment. When is retail going to come back to crypto? Tell me. I appreciate it. What else is coming in right now? Doge has hardly completed a clean liquidity sweep. So I have this, bullish beauty, bullish cup, and this whole liquidity sweep. It's not happening. Once it gets to 20 cents, we should see that. So Doge has already completed a clean liquidity sweep and now sitting near a strong support zone. Okay, this is usually when smart money starts positioning quietly. If buyers step in, a relief bounce towards higher levels is very possible. And I think in 2026, in January, we are going to see a huge, hopefully my face ain't scaring the kids. We're going to see a huge rally for Dogecoin, guys. And crypto's going to go nuts. Okay, the bull run is not ended. It's still freaking here, guys. And remember, one of the reasons that crypto also dumped again is because we had the Japan rate hike priced in. So in March 2024, Japan rate hike went from 0 to 0.1. BTC dumped 23%. July 31st, 2020, Japan rate hike went from 0.1 to 0.25, and Bitcoin dumped 26%. Okay, so in January, Japan rate went from 0.25 to 0.50. BTC dumped 32%. So this is not something unusual. Okay, here we are, the 16th December 2026, BTC dumped 3%. So the market is not priced in yet, guys. So let's get ready, guys. Do not worry. January is going to be healthy. It's going to be good. Everyone has locked in 2025 gains. This is not the time to sell or press the panic button. Now the road is clear towards 2026. It's time to prepare. It's now. So yeah, $1 in 2026. Yeah, maybe, guys. I think hopefully it could happen. It could happen, guys. Okay, hopefully it happens, guys. I would appreciate it. So that's kind of all I got in this video. Hopefully you guys are blessed. Merry freaking Christmas, seasons, greetings, and holidays. Take one more. Who wants to take one more look at my Christmas tree? My Christmas tree. There are Yule tidings of Christmas tree. Christmas tree. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. My Puna's back. So God bless. Be well. Go with God. I appreciate it. Peace out.